Product Spotlight Guided Wave Radar Transmitters. Introducing the ABB LWT 300 Series Guided Wave Radar Transmitter. Now with built-in LevelExpert, an intelligent algorithm that accurately detects levels even in the most demanding conditions. With its technology based on 20 years of experience, installation data and basic process conditions are all that is needed to be entered for accurate measurement. The instrument is able to differentiate between false signals and the actual level of the product without the user having to make parameter adjustments. They also allow for safety monitoring, improved reliability, downtime reduction, performance verification. With fast and reliable settings, ABB's LWT 300 series of instruments is measurement made easy. LevelExpert software for easy configuration, reliable surface detection and easy troubleshooting, 4 to 20 mA and Hart7 communication, accuracy of 2 mm or 0.03%. Update rate of 5 Hz, temperature range, -122 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, threaded and flanged process connections available. Integrated LCD with through-the-glass, TTG, interface available, cable, rod, and coaxial probes available in lengths from 12 inches to 100 feet. Find our product catalog at quicksupply.com.